NaturalReader Review. Usage experience. NaturalReader is a text-to-speech software designed to convert written content into clear, natural-sounding audio. Whether you're a student needing assistance with reading, a professional reviewing long documents, or someone with a visual impairment, this tool offers immense value. Its standout features include a wide range of lifelike voices, multi-language support, and the ability to handle various file formats like PDFs, Word documents, and web pages. With its AI-powered natural voice options, the software makes listening to content an effortless experience, avoiding the robotic tones that many other tools fall into. The app caters to diverse needs with two primary modes: online reader and the downloadable desktop app. The online reader is perfect for quick access, while the desktop version provides offline functionality, ensuring uninterrupted usage. You can even import text directly from cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox, making it highly versatile for both personal and professional use. Another impressive feature is the pronunciation editor, which allows you to customize how specific words are read aloud. This is a game changer for technical terms, unique names, or industry-specific jargon. Additionally, NaturalReader offers speed control, enabling users to adjust the reading pace to match their comfort level, whether you're skimming or deeply focusing on content. What sets NaturalReader apart is its accessibility. It's not just for those with disabilities, but also for multitaskers who want to consume content while driving, working out, or cooking. The mobile app further expands its utility, letting you take your audio anywhere. Pricing is straightforward, with a free version offering basic functionality and premium plans unlocking advanced features like higher quality voices and batch conversion. The premium tier is worth considering if you use text-to-speech regularly, as it delivers a polished, customizable experience. In summary, NaturalReader combines simplicity with powerful features to deliver a seamless text-to-speech experience. It's perfect for anyone seeking to improve productivity, accessibility, or the way they consume content. If you've been searching for a reliable, natural-sounding text-to-speech solution, NaturalReader might just be the tool you've been waiting for. That's it for this review. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.